Hey, Spinks from QuietKat. We're out on the trail today. We are on Elk Drop. It's QuietKat's adopted trail here in our local community. So we've got our whole crew out here today. We're going to be doing some trail maintenance. We're going to be trimming back a little bit of the foliage, making sure the signage and the safety is up and running, and of course enjoying our favorite Elk Drop trail. There's lots of whoops, there's lots of berms. It's a perfect e-bike trail. If you're out here in the Colorado area, stop by Eagle, Colorado, check out our QuietKat showroom. We'll take you out for a ride. The Elk Drop Trail is QuietKat's adopted trail.
Very little hard work.
Woo!
That's how you properly block a trail. Trying to keep the people on the trail. So just gonna block off the part we don't want them using. Hydration's key when you're out in this hot sun.
I know.
Just working hard, sweating. Backing her in. Beautiful. Always stay on the trail. Always. We dug some drainage ditches. We did some trail closures. We evened out a couple berms today. Thank you to Hunter and VVMTA for having us out here on the Elk Drop Trail. QuietKat crew. Phew!